Okay, this question is from complex numbers. It was asked in JEE Advanced 2019, paper 1, and there's a lot of information given here. First, a set is defined with an inequality, and then of that, in that set, we have to find a value of z which maximizes that, and then we are asked to find the principal argument of a function of that z naught. The z naught we found in the previous with the previous info. Okay, let's get started. If you try any method like putting z equal to x plus I y and then solving, it's going to take a lot of time. A geometric approach will be easier because I see that this is the distance between z and 2 plus I, 2 minus I, and this is the distance of z from 1. Okay, if you notice all that, it's you can easily do it with the geometric approach. If firstly z, this is 2 minus I in the complex plane. So we z minus 2 plus I modulus of that equal to root 5 is going to give us a circle. Okay. So this inequality gives us all points which are outside the circle. Okay, let's roughly draw the circle here. Okay, this is going to be a circle, and all points outside the circle is in the set S. Okay, now we need to find the z in S such that this is maximum. This is maximum. So if for this to be maximum, we need to find z naught such that mod z naught minus 1 is minimum. And what is mod z naught minus 1? It is the distance from z naught to the complex number 1. So we need to find points in S which is at the least distance from 1. And with geometric intuition, we know that that point is the one right here. Okay, also I forgot to say this is greater than or equal to root 5, so points on the circle also come under S. So this is the point we need to find. Now by using geometry, we find the slope of this line, not the slope, the straight line actually, and then solve for the straight line and the circle, and we'll find this point z naught. Okay, so the points are 2 minus 1 and 1 0. We get y equal to 1 by minus 1 x minus 1, which is x plus y equal to 1. This is the line, and we need to solve. We need to put this value in the circle equation, which is x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 1, y plus 1 the whole square equal to 5. That's the equation of the circle. And let's substitute x equal to 1 minus y minus 2 the whole square plus y plus 1 the whole square equal to 5. Now this is minus y minus 1 whole square, which is same as y plus 1 whole square, so this will become 2y plus 1 whole square equal to 5, implies y plus 1 equal to root 5 by 2, plus or minus. So there are 2 points that satisfy this condition, one here and one here. We need the one with the positive y. Okay, so y is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 2, that is the positive one. And then we'll get x equal to 1 minus y, which is 1 minus root 5 by 2. Oh, wait a minute, there's a mistake here. So root 5 by 2 minus 1, not root 5 minus 1 by 2. Okay, 5 by 2 minus 1, which gives us 2 minus root 5 by 2. So this is our complex number. This is our z0. 2 plus I times root 5 by 2 minus 1. This is our z0. So if we know z0 plus z0 conjugate is 2 times real part of z0. Similarly, z0 minus z0 conjugate is 2 times imaginary part, 2i times imaginary part of z0. So that gives us z0 plus z0 bar is 2 times 2 minus root 5 by 2, which is 4 minus root 5. z0 z0 minus z0 bar is 2i times root 5 by 2 minus 1, which is root 5i minus 2i. Now look at the numerator. It's 4 minus this quantity, which gives us root 5. So the numerator will be root 5. Denominator is this quantity plus 2i. So we got minus 2i here, which cancels out, which gives us root 5 by root 5i, which is 1 by I minus I. Now we know the argument of this. A minus I is here and the argument is minus 5 by 2. So that's our answer. Yes, it's in the options.